Stanley Brown. Ladies and gentlemen, our best popular is none other than candidate number. It's you, candidate number 5. We have the parents of our club to present our award. Delivering the Honorable Maria Teresa Oro and the Honorable Jennifer L. Alford. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes the awarding of our minor awards. And this time, the award tabulator is computing for our result for our top 5 semi-finalists. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, people of Manila, the semi-finalists led by our honorable Pudagay Nilawan, would like to invite you all for tomorrow morning. We will be having the search for those lead and green pulot for 2025. Yun po ang umaga natin gagawin dito sa ating Barangay Plaza. And of course, at night, we'll be having the Mr. and Miss Dinner of 2025 is sponsored with the Sangguniang Kabataan headed by Honorable Maria Teresa Oro. And of course, in August 12, we'll be having the variety show sponsored by the Lalay National High School featuring the local talents of our students of the SEM school. And on August 13, we'll be having the Beer Plaza featuring the local bands of Camarines Norte. And on August 14, we'll be having the coronation of Bolivia at PPP Ginan Parokya 2025. On August 15 and 16, we'll be having the Grand Ball. Of course, we can meet here sa ating Barangay Plaza. At syempre, on August 17, we will be having an awarding of the Sports Fiesta Basketball Tournament of our isang Kabataan of Barangay. So once again, inalayan po namin lahat ng makisaya at syempre po makasama kayo lahat sa ating pong pagdiriwang ng kapista ng ating mahal na patron sa Roque dito po sa ating Barangay naman ng Barangay. So, and of course, syempre po, hindi naman tayong kasawang pasalamatan ay ating generous sponsors because at this event wouldn't be possible without their generosity and of course, their kindness. Thank you very much po sa inyong lahat. At syempre, sa lahat po ang ating mga Purok Chairman, Purok Officials, from Purok Uno, hanggang Purok Ds. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ating mga malalaking sa Barangay na nagiging sa ating bibigay po ng inyong efforts, time at pagod para po i-celebrate natin ang masayang kapiyastahan ng ating mahal na patron sa Roque. At syempre, the celebration of Singhay Festival. Once again, we would like to thank our generous sponsors, beginning with the representative of the First District of Camarines Norte, the Honorable Congresswoman Jocelyn Bonnie Taliado, our Municipal Mayor, the Action Man, Mayor Ariel M. Noon, the Permata Resources, the Inlaw Mining Corporation, the Riela Water Station, Dueros Eatery, Mr. and Mrs. Leopoldo Villalon, Councilor Ariel Miller Flores, Councilor Jason Ariola, Councilor Francesca Angela Napa, Councilor Don Aisaili, and of course, we also have here Honorable Councilor Nicole Arnal, Honorable Councilor Dodoy Abadyo, Honorable Councilor Kat Bilao, and Mrs. Larissa Adora. We also have here Mr. Nico Quijano, Bobby Abeliano, and of course, Arnel Dito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-ambag. With this voluntary help or kung ay magtulong ang ibigay nila sa barangay. Maraming salamat po. Siyempre, hindi po tulong ay mapaglabaw ang aming mga kapagkaan. Nakakapagbigay po ng hindi sa lahat pinagawa ng maraming pamilya sa pagdaraos po ng kapestahan ng aking mga patron. Thank you very much po sa kanila. And of course, I would like to grab this opportunity to thank our great suppliers out there, our South Tech booth. Maraming salamat po. Sa our official decorator, Margot Padilla. So our makeup artist, back on stage. Maraming salamat. Siyempre po sa ating mga handlers. So thank you so much. To the parents of our candidates, maraming salamat po sa bibigay ng oras at pagbibigay po ng isang porsyento ng suporta sa ating mga kandidata. Thank you po sa inyo. I would like also to give us an opportunity to thank for inspiring me tonight, my stylist for tonight, my other half, Angela Molina, and of course, for the makeup, around our maraming salo, for inquiries, you can contact his Facebook account at Rafael Lucero, the owner of Rafa